Today we're going to be doing a deep dive in System.io. We're going to do a complete review from A to Z. So if you're unfamiliar or have any questions about how System.io works, stick around. We're going to get right into the video. Okay, here we are guys on the main page. This is the exact page you're going to see when you sign up. You might have a pop-up that pops up that tells you more about what is inside a system and what it really offers, but this is for the most part exactly what you're going to see. So as you can see right here, no credit card required. Technically, yes, it is free forever, although I'm going to save you the time. It is something you're going to want to upgrade at some point, but it is free to get started. You can definitely start making money without spending a single dime, but I do want to highly encourage that you upgrade your plan pretty much as soon as you really think it's not right. There's no right answer to that, but there is limitations. Like with anything for free, it's almost like a free trial. Okay, so basically with System.io, it is your all-in-one marketing platform. It literally offers anything that you can think of, anything that you're going to need in business. It is in System.io. It is here and it is ready for you to use it. You can see right here it offers sales funnels, it offers email marketing, it offers a website builder, it has an affiliate program manager. So if you were to create your own product, then you could have affiliates go out and do your promotion for you, and you can manage them all in System.io. It has business automation. You can host evergreen webinars, online courses, blogging. You can start a blog. You can even sell physical or digital products, entirely up to you. I just want to stop the video right here for one quick minute and let you know that I currently have my courses on sale for $47. I have 8 courses altogether and you're getting all 8 for $47. So you're going to learn how to launch an online business, how to write copy that sells, the financial freedom formula, which is inside of the course. You get to launch it and create your course and sell it for up to $997 in the next 7 days. That's included in this. The business coach, how to make your first $1,000 online, how to make 60K in 4 weeks, email marketing made easy, and lastly, how to make $100 per day with your email list. All of that included for $47. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link in the description and it'll be the first link down there to get started. Here we are with the pricing. So as soon as you sign up, again, using the link in the description, you're going to use a link in the description to sign up. You're going to be on this free plan. So what do you get in this free plan? Well, you're going to get 2,000 contacts, which basically means 2,000 leads. So let's say you create a sales funnel and it just blows up. And in a week, you have 2,000 leads already in your email list. You are then capped at 2,000 leads. So you can't get 2001, you are capped at 2000 until you upgrade to the startup plan. And so we're just going to compare each plan and see which one might be the best fit for you. Obviously, a lot of people are going to start off with the free one. That's totally cool. You can literally go and make money today using the free plan 100%. You don't need to start with the startup plan right off the bat. I encourage you to use a free plan just to get familiar with what the product is. So all across the board, you can see with emails sent, you can have unlimited emails. That's all across the board. With sales funnels, you can have 3 sales funnels on the free account, and then the jump from the free to the startup, which is huge. You get 10 sales funnels as soon as you start on the startup plan for $27 a month. On the sales funnel steps, you get 15 on the free plan and you get 50 on startup. Basically what that means is if somebody signs up to your landing page and they put their email address in, you can put sales funnel steps like sending them an email right away or adding a tag, whatever the case may be. You can have up to 15 of those on the free plan, whereas you can have 50 right off the bat on the startup plan. With the blogs, if you're a blogger, you can have 1 on the free plan, you can have 5 on the startup, you can have 20 on the webinar, you can have unlimited on the unlimited plan. Blog posts, you can have unlimited right across the board. Courses, if you want to have your own course, buy a course, create a course, you can have 1 on the startup plan. You can have 1 on the free plan, 5 on the startup, 20 on the webinar, and obviously unlimited on the unlimited plan. I think you're kind of getting the gist of it. You can really see exactly what's offered just by going to the pricing page on System.io. So you really get an idea of what exactly it is you're paying for. Just so much offer and so much value inside a system. All plans include unlimited emailing, unlimited file storage, unlimited students, no transaction fees, affiliate programs, and of course the online support. If you do have your own product that you're selling, you can even connect to the world's best payment plans. You have Stripe, PayPal, Zendit, Razorpay, Flutterwave, whichever one you prefer, go ahead and sign up using them. One thing I want to make note of when you're choosing your plan is in the unlimited plan, you literally get everything this program and software has to offer, completely unlimited for $97 a month. Whereas other programs and platforms like ClickFunnels, you're starting at $97 a month and you're probably getting what's offered on ClickFunnels in the startup plan for $97 a month. So it's quite the difference. Once you create your profile with System.io, this is what the inside looks like. You have your dashboard where you can see what leads came in. Under your dashboard, you have the affiliate dashboard, the student dashboard, and the marketplace. So in the marketplace, if you don't have a product to promote, you can definitely go to the marketplace. You can find a product you like to promote there, and you can promote System.io products. You have your student dashboard, your affiliate dashboard, and your main dashboard. Then you have your contacts tab. So that just tells you what leads you came in, what their email address is, etc., etc. What's next is the funnels tab. So under the funnels, that's where you're going to see all your sales pages, all your landing pages. So that's going to be under funnels. If you join on the free plan, you only have 3 funnels or the capability of making 3 funnels. And if you join on the startup plan, you can have up to, I think it was 10, it might be even be 15. So that's where all your funnels are stored, is under the funnels tab. Next, you have the emails. You can have emails, newsletters, emails, campaigns. So if you go to your campaigns, you can see all the campaigns here. You can host your blog right here. So there you go. You can have all your blogs. I've created one in the past as a YouTube video. So you have blogs and then your automations. So that's when somebody signs up to your landing page, they put their information, name, email address, whatever. You can then make workflows for them. So you can either have them send them an email right away, or you can have it tag them under a certain, contact right away, whatever the case may be. So that's what automations is. Then you have products. If you have courses within System.io, it's all going to be hosted right in here. So that's pretty self-explanatory. If you have physical products, then you have sales. So if you have, affiliates, you can go ahead and go under my affiliate program. It'll tell you what your affiliates are doing, how they're doing, and so on and so forth. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video helps out a whole bunch. Again, before you go, I just want to mention one more time that if you are looking to make money online, to go ahead and check out my 8 courses for $47 down below. As well, if you want to create a System.io account, you can go ahead and do that by clicking the link in the description below as well. Aside from that, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please help me out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see next. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.